Today, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable the download button on Google Chrome in just a few simple steps. This is a quick and useful Chrome setting, especially if you want easier access to downloads or you want to clean up your toolbar and keep things minimal. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, click on New Tab, so you're starting from a fresh browser page. On the New Tab screen, look at the bottom right corner and click the Customize Chrome button. This opens the customization panel, where you can change the look and layout of your Chrome browser. After the panel opens, scroll down through the options until you find Toolbar. Click on Toolbar to open the toolbar settings. Inside this section, scroll down again until you see the Downloads option. This is the setting that controls whether the download button appears in your Chrome toolbar. If you want to enable the download button, simply turn this option on. Once it's enabled, the Downloads button will show up, making it easier to access your downloaded files quickly. If you want to disable the download button instead, just turn the same option off. That will remove the download button from the toolbar and give your browser a cleaner look. It really is that simple. A few clicks is all it takes to customize Chrome exactly the way you want it. So to recap, open Chrome, open a new tab, click Customize Chrome in the bottom right, go to Toolbar, and then turn Downloads on or off depending on your preference. If this tutorial helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Chrome tips, browser tricks, and helpful how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.